Welcome back, dear students. Let's continue with the new exercise today, that is exercise 21D. So basically in exercise 21D you have to deal with cylinders, and in the very first class I have given you the formula for cylinder as well, isn't it? Right, so let's see the first question and be ready with the formula that were given in the very first class. So the first question says the height of a circular cylinder is 20 centimeter and the diameter of its base is 14 centimeter. Find the volume and total surface area. Right, so let me draw a rough diagram here. So there's a cylinder, so there's a cylinder out here whose height is given to be 20 centimeter. So from here to here is 20 centimeter. And diameter of the base, so this is the diameter, so we call it diameter. So this diameter is given to be 14 centimeter. Okay, now given is, so whatever is given, let me just note them down. So given is, so height, right, we represent height as h. So h is given to be 20 centimeter. Okay, and it is given that diameter is 14 centimeter. Now all of you know this diameter is double of radius, isn't it? 2 times radius. So that's why in place of diameter, let me write 2r. 2 times radius is given to 14. So from here r turns out to be, bring this 2 to the denominator, you get 14 by 2, which is 7 centimeter. So I got my radius also. So my radius, that is from here to here, is 7 centimeter. Question is asking you to find the volume, isn't it? So number one, let's find what is the volume. So number one, we have volume equals to, so formula for volume is pi r square h. Now all of you know pi, the value of pi is 22 by 7 r. R is 7. So 7 is square, right? So 7 square can be written as 7 into 7 into, we have h. H is given to be 20, isn't it? Now 7 and 7 gets cancelled. Now 22 into 7 into 20. Okay, so 22 into 7 into 20 will be equals to 3080. Okay, so this will be the volume, and the volume will be in centimeter cube, right? So I got my volume. Now next we have to find what is the total surface area, right? So let's find total surface area then. So number 2, total surface area. Now what is the formula for total surface area? It is 2 pi r into h plus r. Remember, this is the formula for total surface area. Now let's put the values. So 2 pi is 22 by 7 into r. R is 7. Okay, h is 20 plus r is 7, right? Now 7 and 7 gets cancelled, so we get 2 into 22 into 20 plus 7 is 27, isn't it? So let's multiply them. So 2 into 22, 2 into 22 into 27. So when you multiply all these numbers, you get 1188. Now this is the area, so that's why your unit is going to be centimeter square. Okay, so you may pause the video and note down your first solution. Let's move to next question. Next question says height. You need to find the height of the cylinder whose radius is 7 centimeter and total surface area is 1100 centimeters square. You need to find the height. Remember, okay, so given is the radius is given to be 7 centimeter. Okay, and what is given? Total surface area. So total surface area is given to be 1100 centimeters square. Now all of you know what is formula for total surface area? It is 2 pi r into h plus r. This is the formula. So this is equals to 1100. Now let's put the values. Okay, so we have 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r. R is 7. H plus r. R is also 7. We don't know the value of h, so that's why it is kept as it is. But just wait a minute, this is r, no, this has to be, radius is given to be 7. So let me write 7 out here. So this is equal to 1100. Now we have 7 and 7 gets cancelled, isn't it? So we have 2 into 22 is 44. So 44 into h plus 7 is equal to 1100. Okay, now if you want to open the bracket, that can be done. So alright, so let's do one thing. Bring this 44 to the denominator. So you get h plus 7 out here. So you get 1100 divided by 44, isn't it? Okay, now cancel with 11. Okay, so let's cancel with 11. So 11 into 100 is 1100. So 11 fours are 44. Now 4 and 100 gets cancelled. So you get 25. Okay, so this is equal to how much? This is equal to 25, isn't it? So from here, if you keep only h, bring this 7 out there. So 25 minus 7, right? So how much is this? This is equals to 18. And what is h actually? H is the height, isn't it? So therefore, height of the cylinder is equal to 18. And what is the unit? Unit will be in centimeter. Okay, so you may pause the video and note down the solution. Let's move to the next question. Next question says curved surface area of a cylinder of height 14 centimeters. So basically height is given to be, so given is height is equals to 14 centimeter. Okay, and curved surface area is given to be 88 centimeters square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. So basically, in order to find diameter, you have to first find the radius, and all of you know diameter is the double of your radius, isn't it? So let's find the radius then. So curved surface area is 2 pi r h. So this is the formula for curved surface area. Please remember this. Okay, so this is equals to 88. Now let's put the values. So 2 into pi is 22 by 7. R, we don't know, we need to find r. H is given to be 14. So this is equals to 88. Okay, so we have, see here carefully, 7 ones are 7, right? 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14, right? Now here keep only r. Okay, so here we have 88. So bring 222 and 2 to the denominator. Okay, so 2 into 22 is 44. 44 into 2 is 88. So 88 and 88 gets cancelled and you get r equals to 1. Is that clear? Very good. So this is your radius. So therefore, question is asking you diameter of the base, isn't it? So diameter of the base will be equals to, all of you know, it is 2r. Now 2 into r is 1. So this is equals to 2 into 1 is 2. And the unit that you are using here is centimeter. So the diameter of the base is 2 centimeter. Okay, pause the video and note down the solution. Let's have a look at the last question for the day. So question says the ratio between the curved surface area and total surface area is given to be 1:2. Find the ratio between the height and radius of the cylinder. So given is, see here, so given is ratio between curved surface area and total surface area. So CSA is to TSA is given. Curved surface area is to total surface area is given in the ratio 1:2. Okay, now what is the formula for curved surface area? It is 2 pi r h, isn't it? Is to we have TSA is 2 pi r into h plus r. So this is equals to 1:2, right? Now in ratio, you know that you can cancel the similar numbers. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled, pi and pi also gets cancelled, r and r also gets cancelled. So what is left? So we are left with, see here, this is h. Now is2 means divided by, we have h plus r is equals to 1/2, isn't it? Okay, now see here carefully, question is asking you to find ratio between height and radius. basically question is asking you to find h by r, ratio between height and radius. Okay, let's find h by r from this. Now let's do the cross multiplication. So 2 into h is 2h. This is equals to h plus r into 1 is h plus r. So bring this out here. Okay, so you get 2h minus h equals to r. Okay, so you get 2h minus h is h. So this is equals to r. So bring this r to the denominator. You get h by r is equals to, now how much is left? Only 1 is left, isn't it? So that 1 can be written as 1 by 1, isn't it? So therefore h by r, that's what we wanted to find. So therefore height is to radius, the ratio between the height and radius turns out to be 1:1. That's what we need to find here. Alright, so you may pause the video and note down your solution. And today we'll be doing only this much. We'll continue with the same exercise in the next class. Okay, thank you very much.